Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a store on Payhip. Payhip is a platform that you can use to create stores to sell your digital products, courses, online coaching, and other digital files. To get started for free, enter your email here, or you can log in if you do have an account. So I'll go ahead and enter my email here and then click on get started for free. Okay, now I need to sign up entering my name and password. Okay, now that I have done so, create an account. And now I need to enter my store name. Let's rename it to Test Store. Continue. What would you like your store username to be? Okay, Test Store. Now start selling. Okay, it's already taken. Let's add some random digits. Okay. Now you need to add your first product right here and set up checkout or payment methods and customize your store design. Now adding the product is pretty easy. Let's click on add your first product and then click on add product here. And you can choose the type of product and continue with the wizard to add your product. Now here, if you go to your dashboard, you need to set up your payment methods and customize your store. And this is your store here. If you click on store, of course, this is not done yet because we haven't built it yet. So you want to launch your store builder and add your first product first and then design your store.